All right. We're talking about. Let's see, where's that direction? Hmm. Okay, right here. And over here, you would say is extrasolar activity. So there's no asteroid belt. It's just a cavity in a rock. So it's confusing because you can only get to the rocks in front of the belt. So you would say there's a belt. There's no belt. It's just rock. So to get away from that, you gotta have to traject yourself towards the rock faces, towards the left, and slowly get close until you find a cavity to exit through gravity, which fractures it, and that's about it. After that, you would have to slowly not escape the gravity by thrusting really fast to escape mass. You would just slowly fly towards it on the left and then go up as you're on a new planet, which would be the necessary case. Thanks, bye.